Hello everyone, welcome back to the editing series where together I and you are learning how to edit. And how are we learning that? By making the best Garou edit ever. It's probably not gonna be the best one ever, but hey, I'm gonna try my best, okay? Now, I've noticed when I watched my videos, I noticed that when I watched my videos, I kind of forgot, like explain stuff and that. Yeah, sorry. So in this video, I'm gonna try to make it as much tutorially as I possibly can. I'm gonna explain everything I do, and yeah, so hopefully you're gonna find this tutorial useful. Alright, so the first thing I already noticed when I watched this video is, over here, you can see that the music beat starts over here, but he already is here. 11 frames, like that's crazy, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna outsmart the system. So I'm gonna cut this. Oh, but then I can have the long transition. I'm gonna copy that, slap it in here, and I'll make it. Okay, so the animation transition I recommend is going in blur. Take the whoosh there, okay? Great, we have a whoosh. Can I not make that longer? Alright, now the second thing is put here, animation, and put there, where is it, shake free. Okay, every time there's this, I'm gonna put there its own. Alright, and put their transitions on all of them. So let's go to blur, and take whoosh. Now whoosh is my, favorite one, but that's only mine. So of course if you have your favorite transition, then then use yours. Alright, so now that we have this transition on all of the clips, except some stuff where you don't want it, what we're gonna try is putting there some, more effects, like, these. If we go, for example, here, it's boring. So you want to fix this part by putting some shakes to it. There is literally an effect that is called shake. If you just go here, go in nightclub, I'm pretty sure. There's literally a shake over here. Now I'm gonna try that, but not all effects are so great. Alright, so I think it fits there pretty well, so I'll keep it there. I think it will continue here. If we copy that and put it there. Okay, I can already see. I guess we're not watching the whole clip. The beats are just not good. Okay, so I see this part, and I want to put, on this, where he's deflecting the bat. I want to put there a cool effect, so I can either try shake again, which I am, and unless it's gonna, perfectly fit like it does. Oh my god. Alright, so I think we have this part actually done. So, if you want to see how I made this part, so you can make it as well, because, it's a lot of cuts, then make sure to watch the other episodes as well. It's gonna be up here in the corner. And now, let's, I guess, finish this edit somehow. Alright, so I'm gonna put here a cut and put there, the whoosh transitions up the beat again. And on the second one, there's gonna be a transition into another clip. Now the next clips I'm gonna kinda need more footage, so yeah, I'll get that. Alright, I got the thing right over here, so let's see. I got the clip here. I just have to add the whoosh and stuff. Right now I'm just measuring it so it's the same height approximately. Okay, I'll put here this thing like the explosion. Okay, great. I think I'm almost done with the edit. I just need to, get it to the end. So it looks like I'm done with all the footage. That is great. So I think that's honestly it for today's video, because I finished this part and I put here all the transition edited feel to the beat. So as always, I'm gonna show you how it looked before and how it looks now. So sit down and enjoy.